Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete continue watching on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and type in netflix.com. And now you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix and of course get your membership. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete continue watching on Netflix. So launch the app, of course, or browser, and then you need to go and click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Now, when you're in account, go and click on viewing activity. When you're in the viewing activity, guys, there you just need to go and scroll through your viewing activity to find the title you want to remove. Click on the X icon next to the title you want to remove, and then click on continue watching list. This will help you keep your Netflix dashboard clean and personalized to your current interests. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.